Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide product ID based on country in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see product. So we are going to hide this product based on country. Now go to edit product. So this is our product ID. 822. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. In code you see we added product ID. So you can add product IDs according to your requirement. So you can add multiple product ID, and then you see country. So we added PK for Pakistan. So you can add your country here. So where you want to hide the product, so you can add country here. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now go to shop page. So we added this product ID 822. Now refresh the page. Now you see product ID is hide because our location is Pakistan, and in code we added PK. So you can add country according to your requirement, and you can add product ID according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.